Yo 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 yo.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Why you're... I'm on kettle. I'm on kettle. Wait.
It's hard to. I don't know. Yo yo yo, we're glad to have you guys in this great space. We are your hosts.
Mandy. Candace.
I'm Brandon. Thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, getting the videos out there on a daily basis. We appreciate the love and support from the bottom of our hearts. As you can see, this great space is 1 year old. I don't know why this sounds like this. I don't know why it sounds like this. Sounds like somebody screaming, running from like, are you not work? Are you not work? Yes, yes, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support across the entire year. Yeah. We don't have 52 episodes. We have what, 40? This will make it 45, 46.
Really? That's a nice number.
Yeah. So we genuinely thank you guys.
Season 1 is
over.
Yeah.
Yeah, season 1.
Well, this is our first season. Our first season is
it's
over.
It's over, my dudes. It's over, my dog. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for the love and support. It's been an interesting journey. The verse of the day is rejoice in the Lord always.
And again
I say rejoice. Yes. I hope you guys are celebrating with us as well, in good Christian fashion.
Yes,
oh, but you guys will be seeing this video on the
30th.
30th, Friday the 30th. But our birthday is Saturday the 31st.
Yes.
So you can wish us happy birthday either days. It's fine. You know, we appreciate the love and support. Same way.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for the support you have shown on whatever basis you guys can. You know, it's been an interesting journey.
It has.
Doing this podcast, and we're just gonna reflect. We don't have a cake.
No, we have something better than a cake.
We have a beautiful. Do you want to show the camera?
To the camera. So guys, just describe it.
All right. So our Danish today is brought to you by the lovely Sugar and Spice.
Woo.
It is with a strawberry jelly in the middle and coated with icing on top.
It's lovely.
It was awesome. Well, not it was.
It will be.
It will be awesome. It looks awesome. That jelly on top looks really fantastic. So we had our one candle, but we're not gonna put our candle in our Danish.
Can't ruin the jelly like that.
It's looking very perfect right now.
It's really good. We don't have a cake, but we're gonna break this up like the Lord suffer.
Looks like an S.
Sugar and Spice? I don't know. Probably them logo. Or them logo.
Brendan, please.
And the jelly.
Them emblem.
Yeah, so we're gonna break bread with this.
Yeah, break bread.
In a few.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to come here and basically, just
say thanks, guys. Just thanks.
Yeah, thank you guys
for rocking with us for an entire year.
For an entire year.
We really appreciate it. We've made some
sacrifices.
We have lost time.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have lost
money. Yeah. Time.
We have
money.
lost sleep.
Oh yeah.
Sleep.
Lost our minds as well
for
a little bit.
Yeah. Wait, any drop off?
I don't know. Yeah, but
we've lost this as well. But it's all a part of the process, and we have stayed committed this past few years, and we plan to continue.
Indeed.
Pretty much.
Staying committed because this is actually, it's bigger than us.
It is.
And it's a ministry. And what better way to really get God's word out there as young people than doing it in this fashion.
Yeah.
And we really and truly see the growth of our supporters.
Yeah.
Started from our little table there at camp.
Yeah.
2023 of all our friends and everybody who was there was like, yeah, you guys should do it. And then we have people that watch us overseas now, which is very wild.
Yeah.
But don't stop watching, don't stop
Don't
supporting.
stop watching. Don't stop watching.
Subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah.
We went to youth
celebration Sunday.
last
Yeah.
Saturday, which was cool, by the way. Met up with a lot of people. These two were on a panel.
Yeah.
Talk about things them.
An uncensored panel, basically, where questions were thrown out and they answered, of course. And there's also a little cutesy segment where there's a little giveaway where they had asked, what was it?
What's her slogan or
most
something?
popping Nazarene podcast.
And you had to sing the slogan and
sing
the hands that went up.
When I heard
touching.
that, I was in the bathroom.
No.
You're okay.
Yeah, I was in the bathroom and I
ask,
heard
but I was
it
like,
and I was
do I
like,
want?
what it?
Yeah.
And persons were seeing it and I was like, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in the bathroom.
So
the people
it was
know the
actually, I think it was Chessine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Shout out to
Chessine.
Chessine, guys.
Yeah,
Chessine is probably our biggest
supporter.
Yeah, Chessine
Shout out to
watches.
Chessine
Yeah.
wherever she
Shout out
is.
to Khadija.
And Khadija as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and Jordan.
We
Yeah.
have too many supporters. Too many.
Shout out to my auntie. Yeah, shout out to my auntie Dainty, Jordan, her daughter. Say Jordan, you get your recognition.
Yeah.
So to Jordan.
Special shout outs to everybody. You know?
Robin,
Yeah.
We can't sit down and name all the names.
Can't.
Shout out to the people from our church personally.
People who
that's
comment.
supporting her.
Yeah, the people who comment. Yeah, shout out to you guys.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to our kids who are working behind the scenes.
Yeah.
You know, it's a journey and we're only gonna get bigger from here on out, guys,
Yes.
honestly.
Yeah, we're gonna
But
ramp it up.
we are mindful to not let our pride get ahead of us because we're doing this at the end of the day for the greater glory of God, right?
Yep.
So, how are you feeling after a year?
It doesn't feel like a year. It doesn't feel.
doesn't.
It feel like probably 2 years, 2-3 years in.
I was gonna say less than that, but okay.
Yeah. Really? It feel like 2-3 because it's now a part of my life now.
Oh.
Like after I get up and I have to think about like what content we can put out.
Yeah, that's me at work. I'm
Yeah.
setting aside days. Like when I look at my schedule, I was like, all right, this day is for filming. Like it's something that you think about with all your other list of priorities.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Podcast
yeah.
is a huge priority for us, guys.
Yeah.
We literally lose our minds when we come to a book shuffle and realize that there's something that we can't
Yeah.
get to figure out. It feel like it's like a mad way.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It completely altered everything because before I wasn't really editing and then I'm doing the editing. So like I like the responsibility behind it as well to make sure the episodes are out on time, to make sure everything sounds fine, everything looks good, make sure the content we're putting out is we can call it is of good fruit. Because I mean it's not like we're not gonna call it foolishness. We won't have some fun, but at the same time we want to put out content that we will also enjoy to see.
Yeah.
You know, you guys will also enjoy to see. So I think that's it has changed my entire life. I have to now think about a day in the week when we're going to film. And once that's done, everything is fine.
Everything else.
Yeah,
Do you have a favorite episode that we've ever filmed?
Favorite episode?
There have been a lot of episodes that we have filmed.
Yeah, it has to be the one
goodness.
with the marriage question. Kevin the asked way back when.
Huh?
The question Kevin the asked way back when. About intimacy.
Oh,
Yeah.
The intimacy episode. I think my favorite episode
That was
that I've ever
crazy.
filmed was Unequally Yoked.
Yes.
Unequally
okay.
Yoked was hilarious, brother. Big joke.
Yeah, unequally was fun.
joke.
Yeah.
I also really loved filming Peer Pressure.
Peer pressure.
Yeah.
I think any one of our Q&As are really one of my...
The Christmas Q&A was
the
really
Q&As
fun.
are really fun for me to film.
Which other episode did I love?
To hear what the people want to know or are curious about.
I think the car one was pretty good.
Road
the
Rage?
car one was great.
Oh, the one with us last week. Yeah, that was cool.
The car one was pretty good. Yeah, that was a pretty
good
episode.
That one was really us in our element.
I liked
expect to see more episodes kind of like that. Different scenery,
we're gonna be
settings,
shooting a lot more episodes in
different places.
In the car, in different places.
Give you guys a feel, of what our lives are like. So how has the being a part of the podcast change your outlook on how you carry yourself now?
I feel like there is a greater accountability that you have to move forward with now, because already before being on the podcast, we already had to hold ourselves accountable, not just to our own selves and our own walk with God, but the people around us who are looking up to us.
Yeah.
But now you actually have an audience that's tuning in and looking to hear what you have to say, see what you're doing, how you're carrying yourself. So accountability is probably something that was amped up more.
Okay.
With being a part of the podcast now, for sure.
I think it's...
And time management. I'm not the best at time management, honestly, but the podcast is teaching me a lot about that.
I think I would say it would be whenever you have to remember that. I think it didn't really sink in the other day until the other day when I realized these videos are forever online.
Yeah, there is no...
Yeah, there's no turning back.
These
videos are forever online.
But I think that's a good thing, because one day we're going to sit down and look back and it's like, geez, guys, you remember when...
Yeah, remember how you look?
Yeah, I remember when this did a go on, or remember when the day that we couldn't yet for film or something of the sort. Because we went to film before and end up not filming on a few occasions, right?
Yeah.
So I think all of this is just a part of the journey of becoming
responsible.
And at the end of the day, if something is not going the way we turn it into a topic and talk about it.
Pretty much.
That's what this great space means, space of grace for us to talk about any and everything that is happening to us or happening around us.
Yeah. And I think sometimes even like things when we had the youth week, was it last year or this year? When Khadija said this great space said you referred to like this topic. And I was like, I think when she said that.
Yes.
It's Khadija,
she was doing her sermon.
Her sermon.
I thought it was something David.
No man.
No, Khadija.
Khadija. Cause when she said it, that's when it dawned on me that what we're saying, people are
actually
taking, understanding what we're saying and
taking note,
applying it to their life. I think it's pretty important that if we're gonna have this platform, we have to make sure. I think it also reminds me I have to make sure that how I'm doing things is aligned with what God wants. And make sure that I'm doing my best to make sure that my life is a reflection of who God is.
Yeah.
Because it could be a situation where, I've gotten a ticket before. I've thought, if they ever find, say, I'm on a Christian podcast, it's over.
Ooh.
If the police find that, they're going to go use that against me. You're on podcast, Christian, and I pay ticket.
That's funny.
I thought about it like that.
If there's anywhere for people want to draw you up, it's on the internet.
Yeah.
So you really have to ensure that you're on your P's and your Q's. You're dotting every I, crossing every T.
I shouldn't be living two lives.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
Basically, at all. So what them see here is what they're guaranteed. I promise you, if you guys you meet us. If you guys should meet us outside of filming, Brandon is going to always do stuff like what him just do.
Yep.
You mean yawn? We can't yawn.
It's
time and place.
I cover my mouth.
Okay. So Brandon will always be Brandon, Candace will always be Candace, and Mandy will always be Mandy. we are the same persons
On and off camera.
on and
yeah.
On
off
off camera.
camera.
Pretty
You know,
much.
so it's just really a matter of us bringing together our different experiences in our life as well as sharing our journey
Yeah.
as
Yeah.
young Christians and how we came to be where we are. And sharing it with you guys and hoping that what we went through or some of the stuff that we had to suffer through will be
Suffer.
sort of like a bookmark for you guys to say, hey, you know, if you guys went through something like this or if you guys are affected and I'm going through the same thing, I'm sure there's a way out. Because trust me, guys, there is a way out of every situation.
Yep.
You just have to want to get out.
Yeah, I think it also um it was right in my head. Oh yeah. It's also as we're growing as Christians as well, we're growing with the Lord. It almost I say it's almost like a diary. So we can check back
Yeah.
how we used to sewing versus how we
Yeah.
sew now. And I probably would have to like watch back the videos before.
To
Sometimes
see how
I watched
unhinged you are.
I watched the oh my god, what's the name of the video? I watched the one during the week at work today while I was doing work. Oh my god.
the older ones.
Yeah. From the one that we did the same day that we filmed the funny video about the ending part of Feel Good.
The one?
Oh,
I don't remember I can't remember what it was.
Is that the Jose and Goma episode that or
No, Jose and Gert, it wasn't the Jose and Gomer episode.
I think I know which one you're talking.
Yeah.
I think I know which one you're talking.
The one when I just came back from Christmas vacation. I can't remember what it was that we filmed.
Did we film on that day?
Yeah, we did film.
I feel like it just ended up being a link up.
We have filmed so many things, guys.
Yeah.
Our mind is going
So
on.
sometimes we
hard
film
to keep
like
track.
three. Sometimes we film 3 a day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like
Three
the
one
time there,
time.
like we'd start from like 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning.
Morning.
Just back in.
Don't.
You drop your
Not
kid?
a
You
celebratory
didn't.
Danish, please.
Yeah, film like from 9 o'clock in the morning now done till
And run
night.
till night
Yeah.
to the point
Yeah.
where we'd have to like get lunch and come back and then cook in the night when hungry are kill we.
Yep.
Yeah, we've
Yeah.
lived a few lives
Oh, yeah, man, we take
since
this thing-
doing this podcast.
Yeah, we try our best to take this thing serious to bring out.
Yeah.
I remember one time episode come out late. The day I watch it, the day I watch the upload. And it take forever for process. And then I had to start it over. And Candace was like, welcome to the video. And I was like, boy, I'm not know for telling you, dog.
Oh, remember
thing
our
just nah load.
first? It happened with our first video.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we used to have
yeah.
this thing, guys, where we'd call each other, video call each other, and then watch the
Yeah.
video the same time you guys would have a chance to see it as well.
Yeah.
And that used to
Yeah.
be fun.
It's
Yeah.
watch parties.
Watch parties.
Yeah.
But we are big people now. We get
We-
super busy.
Remember we
Yeah.
used to upload on Tuesdays?
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
I wonder if
Yeah.
we should go back to
No.
upload on Tuesdays. No?
No. I like Fridays.
You like Fridays?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to do Tuesday? We could discuss it later
Yeah, we
on.
can discuss it, yeah. We can discuss it.
Yep.
But
I think
yeah.
people watch the videos whenever, but it's good to have our proper upload schedule. We can always experiment with the times and the dates, and see
Well, guys, we're doing it for you. So if you have
for the
a
Lord.
suggestion for a time, or if you love or you appreciate the Fridays, or you want us to go back to Tuesdays, you can always let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
This
Yeah.
is for you.
It's been an interesting year,
It has.
moving from 4 to 3.
From here, there, and everywhere.
Yeah, been an interesting year.
No,
yeah.
it was from 2 to 4 to 3.
What?
Yeah, 2 to
It was
4.
from 2 to 4 to 3.
It was
So
me and
what?
Kevin first.
Yeah,
Oh
because
yeah, 2
we
to
were
4
not,
to 3.
We were not supposed to be here.
in front of the camera. We were behind the camera at
Yeah.
first, and then we filmed,
The, was it
Unequally yoked,
yeah, the relationship
and we
one.
just did not. We have not
gone back behind the camera.
They wanted us. I remember they wanted us to be on that episode so bad,
and we didn't want to.
Literally moments before,
we did not.
Was
want
when
to.
I agreed because them asked from the week prior, and I was like, no,
do we have to?
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I remember Kevin was like, do it now. So yeah, do it. Even when we were driving on the way to practice, him like, say yeah, do it. I was like, brother, no, you're not here. And then ended up getting convinced.
Yeah.
And boom.
Here we are.
A whole year later.
Jeez, from 2 to 4 to 3.
Yeah.
And then different film setups.
Studios.
Yeah, we
different
changed
studios.
our setup.
Yeah.
We were indoor, then outdoor, then indoor.
And a different indoor.
Yeah, different indoor. I didn't know this is the permanent indoor.
Yeah.
Oh
for now.
Yeah.
It's been an
journey.
interesting.
Like any journey, it's going to have twists and turns, but it's still a journey nonetheless.
Mm-hmm.
And it's still guided by God.
I think I'm grateful for how everything has kind of played out. Good or bad, I'm grateful for how it's kind of played out because it brought us. I've learned so much from doing all this.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, time management, editing, content. I've learned so much. We're still learning and still getting it together. No, let me not say getting together. We're still learning and we're improving. We're always improving.
Yeah.
We're never getting slow.
Yeah, there's always room
Never
for
slow.
improvement.
Fast. You see me?
And we are good at taking constructive criticism where it's given.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, we are amateurs. We jumped into this thing.
You know what's
really
funny?
Just our basic knowledge.
We turn on the camera and start it, you know? We turn on the camera, you know?
That's true.
And people are saying, yo, you have to do this and do this. Brother, I mean, you turn on the camera and what you there? Yo, people are hilarious, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not against the criticism, but sometimes some people say some things and I'm like, brother, I mean, you turn on the camera, you know? You know?
It's
So,
some of the comments you take them in good stride and you adjust where you can. And others, you know, you put them on the back burner for when you become equipped to do so.
If I wouldn't take advice from you, but not take criticism from you, sorry. I just one of them thing there. But you know, we do take them into consideration, though. It's not a case because, as I mentioned before.
We have a log, man. We
we do. And we look into these things because at the end of the day, we want to deliver good quality content, but our main focus is just getting the message across.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we try our best to do that. Because we've always had conversations about like if you want to keep the content raw, keep like raw and uncut, or like kind of have like a script. Remember when we used
scripts? We used to have scripts, but scripts don't work for us because we are yappers at heart. We know how to make people ears bust. We very, very bad. So we do not need a script. We can use words to guide us.
Yeah, so we have like the topic, and then we'll have like certain things.
Yeah, certain areas we want to touch.
I want to talk about, and we kind of go through. Yeah, we'll go through. Yeah.
We can talk about anything as well. Like, tell us the most randomest thing. Randomest.
Yeah.
Tell us the randomest thing, and we can give you a TED talk.
I think one of the most fun times was when we were going to the gospel concerts, and we're asking people the questions and like getting the content from there. I think that was pretty fun. I think the weirdest part about it is that when you're asking people the questions, they don't want to participate. And like I can't force them, but
it's a Jamaican thing, honestly.
They don't want to participate. I think one guy was like, I don't want to look stupid on camera. I said, you're fine.
Yeah, it's a social anxiety.
Yeah.
And cultural.
And I'm feel away.
But that's fine.
It's good vibes, man.
So yeah, guys, if you guys want to, you can share with us what has been your favorite episode of ours.
Yeah, please let us know.
In the comments.
Let us know.
Or wherever.
Let us know, my dudes.
Your favorite moment with us over the past few years. Exactly. And, you know, we can't wait to see what season 2 is going to bring.
Yeah.
We're going to try to implement all the ideas that we've had.
We're gonna go hard. We're gonna go as hard as possible, strong as possible, and just give you guys the best Christian content that Jamaica will ever see.
Period.
Because
Amen.
everybody is one disgrace space,
Yeah.
never two. Everybody
One
have
disgrace
side out and
one
small
disgrace
fries.
space.
Everybody have coleslaw.
But
No,
no.
coleslaw is good. So
Exactly.
coleslaw is
Coleslaw is
good.
really?
Yeah.
I don't know if I like. I haven't
I
had the
like
coleslaw in a
coleslaw.
while. Wait, don't side at me.
I am side-eyeing you.
I haven't had the coleslaw in a
Coleslaw
while.
is really good.
It's lovely.
We're not in the biscuit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody else
That's
can
a-
be the biscuit. Man, a biscuit.
I never used to like the biscuits. You know.
I don't.
I still don't.
Yeah, I still don't like. Maybe because we're not used to the biscuit for our culture.
It's just dry and
But the
clyde,
biscuit, you know, what people love the biscuit.
The biscuit.
No, no.
I don't think I really like
Not my cup of
The
tea.
biscuit is like a
I like the corn.
overdry fried dumpling to me. Like a fry out, just dry out fried dumpling.
I like the corn. My mother used to like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I like
corn on
the
the
corn
cob.
was something else.
Corn is lovely.
The corn is something else. I think they probably use sweet corn or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
Corn
really
is
nice.
good. Yeah.
All right, we went a little bit off topic there. But
Yeah.
yes, guys, as we mentioned before, please share with us in the comments your favorite
TGS
episode
Yeah, share.
that we've had over the past few years. Or just share your favorite meme or your
Yeah.
favorite moment.
Favorite what?
Memory, sorry, I know.
Yeah.
Moments,
Share the
whatever
times that
it
made
is
you
there.
smile,
Yeah.
made you laugh, made you shocked.
You know,
Frightened.
now that I'm thinking, one of my other favorite episodes is when we're outside and all of us just did tired. Oh, you just saw the
Oh.
camera panning from yawn to yawn.
Oh yeah. I remember.
You just
Say
was
mental.
that
Yeah, the mental. Yeah, because we're moving everything.
That was our first outside episode.
But we're tired.
And then we
Bridget.
did the one that
we
we
just
chuck up on the coach.
that's
Face-
hilarious.
everybody
It's a
face
mental
long.
health episode, and we look like we're about to
Oh my
crash
god.
out.
Me, Candace, and Kevin chuck up on the
I
coach.
yawn,
I
yawn,
remember
yawn.
posting the video on Instagram and somebody comment and said the coach of face peer pressure. I was like, yo,
Yeah.
I comment and I say, yo, this make me day. I just
Listen,
dead laugh.
man.
Everybody faced it long, lady.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that day we were
tired.
tired.
Everybody faced it long. Yeah, man.
Tired, man.
The boss, man.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, guys. So we're gonna break this cake. Mandy, if you do the
This what?
break the cake.
The cake?
Yes. We're gonna
Are
break.
we gonna
the
break
cake.
it on camera?
Yes. So
I thought we were gonna.
I thought we were gonna end and tell
Oh.
them bye and show them a little roundup.
Yeah.
It's a piece from the previous.
Oh. All right. So we're not gonna break the cake on camera.
No.
No, we're not gonna do that. Why we don't break the cake on camera?
We already eat with the people them last week.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So thank you guys all for watching this great space. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to the videos out there. Jesus Christ, the way, the truth, and the life. I don't think that outro is going to change
It's
No.
never gonna change.
because it's true.
Because it's true.
Jesus Christ,
The
the
way,
way, the,
the
truth,
truth,
and the
and the
life.
life.
The only way to heaven,
Yeah.
point blank.
Period.
There's no other way. Every other way, I detour. Right? So, Jesus Christ, the way, the truth, and the life. Get to know Him today. And if you don't know Him,
you're moving,
moving
mad.
mad.
you're moving mad, bruv. Thank you guys all for watching this
Great
great space.
Space. That's never changing either.
Yeah, that's not much change.
Great space.
1 year, guys, and so many
Many
more to go.
Bye, guys.
What does Stevie Wonder song go? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I'm sorry for you guys' ears in this video.
Happy birthday. It's a big song. One of
Happy
those-
birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Bye, guys.
All right, put on your kickle now, man.